Good morning, everyone. I am Amy.
And I'm Mandy, and this is what's happening for the week of June 27th at the Fitchburg Senior Center.
What is going on down here?
I don't know.
What is it?
What is this?
It's me.
Oh,
Sarah.
Yay.
Hi, Sarah.
What are you doing here, Sarah?
Well, I'm just here to tell everybody that there's bingo every Thursday at 12:30.
Awesome.
And it's so fun because every Thursday there's a different bingo caller for your enjoyment.
Oh, that's so awesome.
Thanks, Sarah.
Welcome.
Amy,
Bingo's
what else
hot.
is going on?
We want to make you aware of a program that's going on. It's called Protect Yourself from Medicare Fraud, and that is happening on Monday, June 27th at 1 o'clock. And then also, this is kind of a stay tuned, but we're also looking for some volunteers. The case managers have partnered with the UW School of Pharmacy to educate seniors about safe and unsafe over-the-counter meds. So we are looking for 6 volunteers, 6 team leaders to participate in this great collaboration to promote medication safety and awareness. So if you are interested, please contact the case manager department, and there are monetary incentives being given.
Ooh, excellent.
That was a lot, but
That was
sign
a
up,
lot.
stay tuned.
Hey guys, you want to join the Fitchburg family and become a volunteer? I am looking for Meals on Wheels drivers. You can come and deliver meals on Fridays or Wednesdays. Those are the days I'm hurting for drivers. So give me a call, 270-4293, and I will hook you up with something that'll make you feel great about what you're doing. And I wanted to let you know that we have a garden planted. I planted a garden down at the Senior Center, and it's in memory of Paul Bariola. Paul was a longtime volunteer here. He was one of my first volunteers when I started here 16 years ago.
Paulie.
And I
Miss
love
you.
my Paulie. He passed away unexpectedly. And one thing you should know about Paul is that if you ever ate any tomatoes from the Senior Center, it was from Paul. So we planted a garden in his memory. All you have to do is wake up and show up.
Where the coffee's always hot.
You'll find friends, a newspaper, and maybe even a hug.
We'll see you right here.
Right